السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما. ربي يسر ولا تعسر. ربي وتمم بالخير. اللهم اجعل القرآن ربيع قلوبنا ونور صدورنا اللهم آمين. Alhamdulillah, we are going to start our first session of this week. So were on the level 2. So first we will just revise the summary of level 1 just to revise and then reach at level 2. So I would start with Brother Ahmed.
It is Raf or Ahmed?
Ahmed. Brother Ahmed.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can now. Go ahead,
Sorry.
Ahmed.
Okay. Fatah Yaftahu, level 1, chapter 1. Bab Fatah, Fatah Yaftahu, Zabar Zabar. Fatah means he opened, he decided, he got victory. Level 1, chapter 2, Bab Zaraba, Zaraba Yazribu, Zabar Zair. Zaraba means he hit. Nasara, level 1, chapter 3, Bab Nasara, Nasara Yansuru, Zabar Pesh. Nasra means he helped. Level 1, chapter 4, Bab Samia, Samia Yasmau, Zair Zabar. Samia means he listened. Level 1, chapter 5, Bab Hasiba, Hasiba Yahsibu, Zair Zair. Hasiba means he calculated, he computed. Level 1, chapter 6, Bab Karuma, Karuma Yakrumu, Pesh Pesh. Karuma means he honored himself. He was honorable. Level 2, chapter 1, Bab Ajwaf. Type Ajwaf means central. Type 1 is Qafa ya Qafu.
What is central here in
The second letter in the
all
Mazi.
in all the verbs in this chapter will have the central words alif.
Alif.
Yeah.
Alif.
Okay.
First type is Qafa ya Qafu. Qafa Alif remains Alif. Qafa means he feared. Second type is Sara Yasiru Sair. Alif changes to Ya. Sara means he traveled.
Sarah means travel. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go for the third case today, but first let's do the Hafa. Can you please do here just Ghaba? Fit here Ghaba.
Ghaba, Gabu, Ghibta, Ghibtum, Ghibtu, Ghibna, Yaghibu, Yaghibuna, Taghibu, Taghibuna, Aghibu, Naghibu. Ghib, La Taghib. Ghibu, La Taghibu. Ghaibun, Ghaibuna, Ghaibina. Maghibun, Maghibuna, Maghibina. Ghaibun.
Ghaibun. Ghaibun. Ghaba means?
Ghaba means he was hidden.
Ghibna.
We were hidden.
Aghibu.
I am hidden, or I will be hidden.
Naghibu.
We are hidden, or we will be hidden.
Hid. Okay, and Amar?
Ghib, hide. You hide.
Okay. Ghaibun.
The one who is hidden.
The one who hide, yeah. And ghaib?
Hidden. To
Hidden.
hide.
And sometimes ghaib also mean ghaba mean he was unseen. Ghaibun unseen.
Yes.
Unseen. Okay. Can you
Yeah.
please take this ayah and just let's revise everything whatever is coming here.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inni a'lamu ghaiba samawati wal arzi. Inni indeed I.
Okay.
A'lamu.
If I stop you here, Ahmad, but can you please do the complete table so that we revise level 0? Inna mean indeed.
Yeah.
Innahu.
Innahu, indeed he.
Yes.
Innahum, indeed they. Innaka, indeed you. Innakum, you, indeed you all. Inni, indeed I. Inna, indeed us. Innuna.
Innana are inna. Indeed
Yes.
we. Next is
A'lamu. I know.
okay. What is the chapter for a'lamu? Everybody, please just focus here. So it is not just for Brother Ahmed. So I just choose him. He is just teaching us. Actually, he is explaining us. So my next question is from his. He will explain about a'lamu is from which chapter first.
Alima ya'lamu.
Okay, alima ya'lamu. What is the chapter?
Uh, Samia yasmau.
Sami'a yasma'u. Alima
Yes.
ya'lamu.
Ya'lamu.
So what is this? Madi or mudare?
Muzare.
Madi. So can you please start with alima and reach at a'lamu?
Okay. Alima, alimu, alimta, alimtum, alimtu, alimna. Ya'lamu, ya'lamuna, ta'lamu, ta'lamuna, a'lamu.
This is a'lamu. A'lamu mean.
A'lamu means I know or I will know.
Next is ghaiba.
Ghaiba, uh, ghaiba is masdar, hidden. I know
Masdar.
unseen or hidden.
What is the chapter?
Ghaba yagibu, sara yasiru.
Bab.
Bab ajwaf, type 2.
Type to alif changes to
Alif changes to ya, sorry.
ghaba yaghibu. Alif
Ghaba
changes to
yagibu.
ghaib is what? Ghaib is
Ghaib is masdar,
masdar.
unseen.
Okay.
As-samawati, the skies, and the earth.
Okay. Now I'll put a pointer and you have to translate it, please.
Yes.
Go ahead.
No.
I could not hear you. Indeed, I think some mic problem. I could not hear you. Okay. So let me ask someone else. So can you please say Ahmad bhai? Maybe I will hear you.
Sorry, can you hear me now?
Now
Okay.
we can hear you. Go ahead.
Indeed, I know unseen of the skies and the earth.
Okay, combine the translation.
Indeed, I know the unseen of the skies and the earth. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes. What about this ghaib as-samawati wal ard?
This is muzaf ilay.
Mudaf ilay. Ghaib as-samawati and then wal ardi is again
Muzaf ilay.
samawati. Yes. So
Yes.
ghaib as-samawati. So samawati mudaf ilay is mudaf. Okay. So this was chapter number 2. Let's go to the next type. Today we will start the next one. So this was chapter level 2, Bab Ajwaf. Ajwaf means central. So now let us relate this central with the why we say it as Ajwaf. Ajwaf means central, the most central. So if you look at all the verbs used here in this chapter, all the verbs, the central letter will be alif. There are 3 cases. The first is khafa ya khafu. Alif remains alif. Khafa means he feared. Second case will be like Sara yasiru. Alif changes to ya. Sara means he traveled. The third case we are going to start. Qala yaqulu. Alif changes to waw. Qala means he said. This here alif, waw, and ya. These letters, letters, basically Arabic letters, they are also called arufi illa. Illa means weak letters. Why we say them weak letters? Because sometimes they change their shapes, they convert from, they interchange. Alif changes to ya, alif changes to waw, alif remains alif, and sometimes you will see a case somewhere that they just vanished. So the third case is qala yaqulu. Alif changes to waw. One, this verb is very important, and also all the verbs used in this chapter, they are used a lot. So let's start with the qala. So bab ajwaf. Third case, qala yaqulu. Alif changes to waw. Qala means he said. Let me ask to do Aiza. Go ahead.
Assalamu alaikum, uncle.
Wa alaikum assalam and welcome back. Go ahead. Bab Ajwaf.
Level 2, chapter 3, Bab Ajwaf.
This
Ajwaf
is
means
chapter 1,
central.
by the way. Level 2 Bab chapter 1. Ajwaf. Ajwaf mean?
Central.
What is central here?
Central here is the alif.
Alif. Okay, go ahead. The first
Okay,
case is alif remains.
The first case is alif remains alif, and then the second case is alif changes to ya,
Third case is?
and then third case is alif changes to waw.
Wow. Khafa means?
He feared,
Sara.
he traveled,
Qala.
he said.
He said. Go ahead.
Okay.
With translation.
Qala, yes. Qala, he said. Qalu, they said. Qulta, you said. Qultum, you all said. Qultu, I said. Qulna, we said. Yaqulu, he says or he will say. Yaquluna, they say or they will say. Taqulu, you say or you will say. Taquluna, you all say or you all will say. Aqulu, I say or I will say. Naqulu, we say or we will say. Qul, say. La taqul, do not say. Qulu, you all say. La taqulu, you all do not say. Qailun, the one who is
The one who says.
the one who says. Qailuna, qailina, those who say. Maqulun, the thing which is saying.
The thing which is being said. Yes.
The thing which is being said. Maquluna, maqulina, those things which are being said. And qaul, to say.
Qawlun.
To say.
To say. Okay, thank you. Let me go to Ibrahim. Ibrahim Farhan.
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam, ya Ibrahim. Go ahead. This is Bab. What is the name of chapter?
Bab Ajwaf.
Ajwaf mean?
Ajwaf means to, I don't know.
Okay, listen, just
Okay.
focus here. So I would go to Brother Hamad. Listen here, Ibrahim, okay?
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam, Hamad bhai, welcome back. Okay, so Bab Ajwaf.
Okay, so it's a level 2 and chapter 1, Bab Ajwaf. Ajwaf means central.
What is central
So,
here?
Yeah, the center is alif here.
Alif. Case 1.
So case 1 is khafa yakhafu, alif remains alif. And khafa mean he feared. And second case is Sara yasiru, and the central alif changes into ya. So Sara mean he traveled. Qala yaqulu, so alif changes into waw, and qala mean he said.
Qala mean he said. Let me give you the word kana. Very important word. Kana mean he was. It happened. Okay, let's say kana first.
Okay, kana, he was, kanu, kunta, kuntum, kuntu, kunna, yakunu, yakununa, takunu, takununa, akunu, nakunu, kun, la takun, kunu, la takunu, kainun, kainuna, kainina, makunun, makununa, makunina, kaun, or kaunun.
Kaunu. Okay. Kana mean
He was.
yakunu,
He is or he will be.
akunu,
I am and I will be.
kunna.
We were.
Okay. Kun,
Be.
be, Kun mean be. La takun.
Don't be.
Be. Kainun.
The one who
The one who is happening.
yeah, okay.
The one who is happening. Let me ask you here. Let us kainun, the one who is happening. What is the feminine of kainun?
Kainatun.
Kainatun or kaina? Yes. What is the plural of kainatun?
Plural kainatun.
Kainatun. That is kainat in Urdu. Kainatun. The thing which is being happened after saying kun. And what happened? Kainatun. The word kainat in Urdu and kainat. Muslimatun, kainun, kainat, kainah. Are muslimatun, muslimatun, kainatun, kainatun. And kaunun, to be, the thing which is to be happen. Okay. Hamad bhai, can you please take this ayah?
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وإذا قضى أمرا فإنما يقول له كن فيكون.
Okay. Let's see. Let's take the word, vocabulary word. Va,
And
idha,
when,
when. Let's go to fa,
so,
innama,
only,
only. Lahu,
for him,
for him. Can you please complete the table for lahu?
lahu, lahum, laka,
Laka.
lakum, laka, lakum,
No problem. Li lana.
li, lana.
Lana. No. Okay, again.
Okay,
Lahu.
lahu, lahum, laka, lakum, li, lana.
With translation.
Lahu for him, lahum for them, laka for you, lakum for you all, li for me, lana for us.
Fa.
Fa, so,
So these are most commonly used words for all participants. After finishing level 0, we have shared one most commonly used word, and they are coming again and again. Now it is the time, because without doing that, we will not be able to do anything. Here in every ayat, va, idha, fa, innama, fa. And also the level 0 is very important. Lahu, lahum, rabbuhu, rabbuhum. Let's go now to other thing. Amran, amran. This is Madi, Mudare. What is that?
amran, this is actually noun.
Noun, masdar.
Yeah.
Masdar. And we did this. What is the first word is?
Amara,
Amara,
ya'muru.
ya'muru. And amran is order, a matter, masdar. Okay, that's it. Yaqulu.
Qala yakulu.
Okay, my question will be, what is the chapter? Yaqulu.
Chapter is Bab Ajwaf, level 2.
Baba Ajwaf, level 2. Baba Ajwaf, case number?
Case number 2.
3.
Oh, sorry, case 3. Qala yakulu.
What is that?
Yeah.
Qala, say completely.
Yakulu. Okay, Qala yakulu. Alif changes to waw.
And Yaqulu mean?
Yakulu mean he will say, or he's saying.
Next is kun.
Yeah, so the kun is Failul Amar.
Failul amar of what?
Kana.
Kana.
Kana yakunu. Kun.
Again, the chapter is?
The chapter is level 2, Bab Ajwaf.
Kana yakun. Please
Qala
say it.
yakulu.
Alif changes.
Yeah. Qala yakulu. Alif changes to waw.
Kana
And
yakun. And kun is what?
Kun is Failul Amar.
Amar, meaning?
Be.
Be. Next is yakunu. What is this? Madi, mudare, amar, nahi, isfa'il, maf'ul, or masdar?
This is Failul Mudare.
Mudare, where I can
Yeah.
fit here yakunu.
Yakunu, this is actually the first singular.
First case. Again, if I ask you, repetition is where? What is the chapter for yakunu?
The chapter is level 2, Bab Ajwaf. Qala yakulu. Alif changes to waw.
Wow. And yakun is mother. Yakunu means?
He is, or he will be.
Okay. Now I will just put a pointer and you have to give English translation. No Arabic.
And when Qada, he
Qada, it has decided. It was decided. The
Okay.
chapter we will discuss later on. On the level 2, inshallah, we'll see it. Qada, it was decided.
it was decided. Amran, command,
A matter.
a matter. Okay. So only he will say for it be, so it will.
It will.
It will be. It will
Or
be.
it happened. Okay. Can you please combine the translation?
And when it was the matter was decided, then only he will say for it, and it will happen, or it will be.
What he will say?
What he will say? Oh, be.
Be. This is very important. This
Yeah.
is the most important characteristic of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Whenever a matter was decided, so he will only say to it, whatever matter, whatever thing he decides to be. So what he will say, kun. After saying kun, what will happen? So it happens. Again, can you please combine the translation, please?
And when it is the matter is decided, then only he will say to it be, so it will happen.
Kun fayakun. So everything is basically kun fayakun. Be, so it happened. So Jazakallah khair, Ahmad bhai. Thank you very much. So we have to go to breakout room to practice on all these words, inshallah, and tomorrow, inshallah, we'll revise it again.